There's the three types here. They're all the same, but this one's a little bit more expensive. These are all from Amazon, and you can see the finish is better. It's got a little bit more weight to it. It's a little bit. This is on the cheap side. You can see the finish isn't very good. These are all like $10. So, and then there's a black one as well. There's this piece here. That side connects to the guitar, and that side's the strap side. This won't push anymore until this spring load is pressed, then it clicks in. Then to pop it back out, press this back down, and that comes back out. So just with a screwdriver, we can remove the old one. I'm trying to keep the same screw if you can in order to respect the size of the hole. And you might have an issue where the screws that are provided are smaller than the hole. Then you would have to use something like a toothpick with a dab of wood glue, put it in, snap it off, just to reduce the size of the hole, and then a smaller screw will bite back in. So the other consideration is if you want to use the same screw, you have to make sure that you can just put it in backwards, but just make sure that that head makes it through. Otherwise, if that doesn't clear that hole, it's not going to get to the full depth to have it secure. But you're putting into the correct side, so the small side goes in and the big side is up. Test out the strap lock. It won't go in until you release that spring. And it slides in like that. Then that's secure now. Pop the spring, comes back out. So make sure you align your strap the right way. Put that to the guitar side. Unscrew. Then that comes off. This piece sits on the top of the strap. Screw goes back in. And then the bottom side. Let's screw it together. And that's it.